Gulf Marine Services, which I think came
Mm.
out with an announcement today that I think it's one of its or four of its rigs from one of its clients has decided to ask Gulf Marine Services to stop helping them out on four particular sites, etc. They didn't say what that financial impact potentially could be. But anyway, what's your sort of
Mm.
thoughts on the announcement?
Yeah, it was a key customer in the Gulf. Four out of, I think it's around 13 or 14 ships in total. It's got self-elevating oil-related ships. So four of them is a sizable chunk of the thing. There are broker notes. I saw a note from Zeus and from another minor research firm. Didn't really shed any light on it. I think the sort of 10-12% dip today in share price makes sense because this has introduced some uncertainty. And it's very vague. It just says we're currently assessing what the financial and operational effect will be. So I think what they're flagging is that there's likely to be some impact, but it's hopefully probably temporary and one-off in nature. So it doesn't, for me, alter the long-term investment case. I do hold this one. I did take some profits top sliced recently, but that was more luck than judgment on the timing, really. But I'm happy to. So I think, yes, I would expect it to drop about 10% today. That's a perfectly reasonable reaction from the market. I do think, though, any costs related to this are likely to be seen by the market as a temporary one-off issue. So I don't see this as a permanent diminution in the value of the company. It's just one of those, I wouldn't go as far as just being dismissive as saying background noise, but it's just part and parcel of the risk that comes with operating in the Middle East, I'm afraid. No, it doesn't change my view of the shares. Not cheap enough for me to buy anymore, but I definitely won't be selling either. And somebody asked about Jet2 on airlines. And yes, my view on that is exactly the same. I just see this as largely background noise. I don't think people will be cancelling their short-haul European holidays. So no, my view on that hasn't changed in the slightest.